Now this is some really crazy Morse I'm hearing. I don't know if I have my word per minute set correctly to be able to decode it. Every time you see an asterisk, the computer isn't quite sure what it is. But listen to that code go. Fades in and out a little bit. That is crazy. That's obviously a computer sending it, not a person. I don't think those are the actual characters being sent. And it's drifting away. The ionosphere is taking that signal and absorbing it. That's neat. Wonder who's doing that. Nobody's listening or nobody's responding. It's just one signal broadcasting like crazy.